When people start a home renovation project, they are understandably full of questions, and many times those questions revolve around what's going on the outside of the walls, fixtures, appliances, or paint colors. But it's probably more important to pay attention to the foundational products that are a little more difficult to change in the years ahead. One of those that is often overlooked is drywall. Not all drywall is created equal, and making the wrong choice now can create a lot of headaches for you down the road. For example, all gypsum-based drywall is naturally fire resistant, but the Purple family of high-performance drywall products provided by National Gypsum is unique because it also resists moisture, mold, and mildew. That's important to the health of your home and your family, whether you're renovating a basement, a bathroom, or simply live in a humid climate like I do. On top of all of that, some Purple drywall products also stand up to scratches, scuffs, and dents. That's a big deal in garages and playrooms. And some even minimize the transmission of noise between rooms. That's important if you're building a media room or want a nice, quiet home office. So if you're planning a renovation, spend some of your time thinking about what goes under the paint and fixtures and ask for Purple.